Understanding Course Equivalencies, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic that can be quite useful for students, especially those planning to study in different educational systems. We're talking about course equivalencies. Understanding this concept can make a big difference in how you plan your education and ensure you get the credit you deserve for your hard work. So, let's get started and explore what course equivalencies are all about. Course equivalencies refer to the process of matching courses from one institution to equivalent courses at another institution. This is crucial for students who transfer between colleges or universities, as it determines if the credits they've earned can be applied towards their degree at the new institution. Equivalency means that even though courses might have different titles or codes, their content, learning outcomes, and academic level are considered to be the same or very similar. Understanding course equivalencies is important for several reasons. Transferring credits. It enables students to transfer credits from one institution to another, preventing the need to retake similar courses and helping to graduate on time. Planning your education. Knowing about equivalencies can help you plan your academic journey, especially if you're considering studying abroad or at different institutions. Saving time and money. By ensuring your courses are equivalent, you avoid wasting time and money on redundant classes. 1. Research. Start by checking the website of the institution you are transferring to. Many universities and colleges have a database or tool that allows you to look up course equivalencies. 2. Advising. Speak with academic advisors at both your current and future institutions. They can provide guidance and ensure that the courses you take will be recognized. 3. Documentation. Keep detailed records and syllabi from your courses. These documents can be vital in proving the equivalency of your coursework. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of course equivalencies and why they play a critical role in the world of education. Whether you're transferring schools or planning your academic future across different countries, understanding course equivalencies can help streamline your journey, saving you time, effort, and money. Remember, preparation and research are key. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best in your educational endeavors. See you in the next video.